In this video of 3005, Jason is going to make his first solo. This is our last landing for our warm-up, and he is ready to go. You'll see me jump out of the airplane here in just a moment, and it's a rite of passage for anyone to solo an airplane or any aircraft alone.
Oh, you're taking that a lot slower. Alright, let's see. Just pull off over the line here. Over the line? Yeah. And then get cleaned up. Alright. I want to go. You film you from the ground? Yeah. Alright, hand me your phone. Okay. Hold the brakes. Oh, yeah. Got it. Oh, he's behind us when he moves. He's alright.
12 Charlie Hotel, left base, 16 Guthrie.
You got a pattern? Huh? Yeah, Jack. Yeah, I think you're clear. You just do that. Alright. I think I switched the video. Okay. Just take do 3 catching it. Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
It'll be a little bit better. 3 total landings. Yep. Okay. Cool. See you in a second. See you.
Once I get out of the airplane, you can see the nervousness set in. It's a big moment. As soon as you take off by yourself, there's only one person that's going to land that aircraft successfully. And Jason was ready. He did it in, I think, less time than the average student, but he's ready. But you can definitely see the nervous energy increase as he taxis out to take off by himself.
Traffic system 8740, holding short, runway 16 Guthrie.
Got the traffic, 12 Charlie Hotel, we're turning left crossing 16 Guthrie. Come up on this side, we get to...
Traffic, so it's at 8740, I'm gonna go runway 16 Guthrie.
3000. I'm 15 at 3000.
Oh, hold on.
As Jason makes his way around the pattern, you can see the multitude of emotions on his face. He knows that he's ready, but there's always that little bit of doubt that creeps into your mind. He did a great job of moving around the pattern, and then also pretty saturated pattern as well. There were 3 or 4 airplanes moving in and out of the pattern as he was making his way around.
On final runway 16 Guthrie.
You put the traffic, 12 Charlie Hotel is on the go, 16 Guthrie.
Well, tradition requires that the student complete 3 landings during his first solo. Saw the first one, and we'll cut to the last landing that Jason completes successfully as the sun sets. We're greeting back at the taxiway as he comes off to a successful first solo, and there's a whole lot left to do before he earns his private pilot certificate, but he is well on his way. And we will see you next time on 3005.